Hey guys, welcome to Pro Se Legal School. We provide the tools you need to shut down the court. Shut down the court process. Let me get my glasses on so I can see. Okay, so y'all know we can't win in their fraudulent whatever they have set up to do what they've been doing for years to us. So we got a different strategy. We're going to shut down the process, sue their ass over in federal court. Yep, that's what we do. Okay, so in tonight's live stream, we're going to talk about credit card debt collection. Yep, we're going to review the debt collection from the information on the internet, which would be their conventional side of this, and compare it to what we've learned from the real-time feedback from people like you guys who have the courage to do whatever it takes to step up and punch these people in the face, that are violating your due process. So we enjoy working with people who are willing to do whatever it takes to stop them from taking your money. So we're going to cover what is debt collection, how it works, what happens if your debt gets sent to collections, how to stop it for $99.99. I'm going to put it on sale for $99.99. It's a $400 lawsuit package is what it is. And it don't require a lot because it's badass, and stopping these credit card stuff is not very hard. It's not very hard. We're also going to learn about credit card debt collection processes, debt turnover, illegal collection activities, what a charge-off is, which makes it all illegal. Oh wait, it was illegal already. Okay, sorry, I'm getting distracted. And we're going to talk about different debt collection methods, and we're also going to talk about how to crush it, how we crush it. Okay, so yeah, this is what the lawsuit package looks like on the website. The credit card debt collection lawsuit. The credit card debt collection lawsuit stops the state court with federal case law they can't respond to using statutes and codes. Remember, statutes and codes are not valid laws. They don't have enacting clauses, titles, or bodies. So everything that we structure here at Pro Se Legal School, we structure with federal court case law, and we use federal acts, which bring the criminal liability to the table for the stuff that they're doing to you. And so the players won't be able to respond. They cannot respond to federal court case law or federal acts with statutes and codes from state court because they're fake and you can't respond to them. So they can't respond. They automatically get their legs chopped off. And when you sue them in federal court, because that's what this is all about, okay, you got to make sure you're getting the ching-chang out of this. When you sue them in federal court, okay, then you'll be able to use everything that they did on the state court level. You want to get a certified copy of the entire docket sheet and take that over there with you as evidence, because you're going to sue them for what they did. When you get a lawsuit from us, it has federal stuff in it. You use that to stop. And, you don't even have to pay to file. You can do a counterclaim, write in their stuff, add the judge, the state, because the state is the one, add them as plaintiff to the counterclaim and file it right in their stuff and save your money for the $400 that you need to spend to get control of the situation over in federal court. Now, this is what the lawsuit package looks like. Now, I have one or two things I'm going to add to this. So we're going to highlight it when I get done. I'm going to make a couple of changes. Not because I need to.
Hey, Coach, this is Dwayne. I just want to let you know, Coach, in the debt collection lawsuit package, buddy, we're in the federal court, and the state court portfolio withdrew completely from the charges behind your paperwork. Dude, you are the fucking man, Coach. I mean, you are the man, dude. I had to be to court today at 10:30 a.m., and it's gone. It's completely gone. So now we got to follow through in the federal court. I appreciate you, Coach. You are the best, man.
Okay, so y'all heard that from Dwayne, and I don't know if I should bleep anything out or whatever, but oh yeah, they just shut their asses down. Shut their asses down. And that's why I'm hiding out at another location. I think this is South Point Casino, South Point Casino's yacht. I'm not sure. I think that's what they told me, but they said I could do whatever I want in here. So we're hiding out. And yeah, this it. This is it. And it's on sale. I'm almost about to give it away for free. Oh, because I need some more reviews like what Dwayne sent in. I need some video reviews that I can post on. I mean, I appreciate that, but I need the video reviews I can post on the website so people can see that what we're doing over here, based off the real-time feedback from badasses like y'all, making a damn difference. That's it. We back. That's it. And I got to go get ready for the night. It's going to be huge. $99 and $99. Okay, sorry. Got carried away. Yeah, I'm about giving it away because I need a bunch of video reviews. I need more people. I need people to see that this stuff is fire. And so I'm just going to, for $99, I'm going to do this and until I get about 10 reviews. And then once I get about 10 video reviews, then we're going to move it back up to 9 million. Well, 4. Let me talk to my consultants over there, and we'll figure out where we're going to put the price at that time. Thank you for the value sharing your time. Don't miss the live stream tonight, 3/16. It's going to be at 9 o'clock. So everybody ought to be able to make that 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock Mountain Standard Time, because I'm still at undisclosed location. I'm on the other end. Later.